First up is a classic choice for building credit, the secured card. This card requires a deposit, which usually becomes your credit limit. Stay tuned to find your perfect match. Choosing the right first card makes a huge difference. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about getting started right with credit in 2025. Building credit is super important for your future financial health. We are diving into the top 5 credit cards perfect for beginners. Consistent on-time payments can help you graduate to an unsecured card. This offers a clear goal as you build your history. Card number 4 is another strong secured option, often with a path to upgrade later. Approval requirements are typically more flexible for beginners. You earn a percentage back on your everyday spending automatically. It's easy to understand and provides real value without complicated tiers. It might offer tools to help you monitor your score. Coming in at number 3 is a card designed specifically for those new to credit. Pay on time and keep your usage low. Remember, using your card responsibly is key to building a strong score. Focus remains on responsible use and building that credit history. There you have it, 5 great types or examples of cards to start your credit journey in 2025. It's good if you think you might carry a small balance occasionally. Let us know in the comments below. Which of these sounds best for you? Finally, our 5th card is a low-interest option that might still offer basic rewards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and guides. Our second pick focuses on simple rewards, like a no annual fee cashback card. It's an excellent way to show lenders you can manage credit responsibly.